Health benefits of pineapple. Improves digestion. The enzyme bromelain, present in pineapple, is useful in digestion. Bromelain's benefits: preventing of cough and colds, as well as has other therapeutic values. Strengthens bones. Pineapple helps to grow bones at the younger stage while strengthening at the older stage. Good for eyesight. Pineapple contains beta-carotene and vitamin A that good for eyesight. Combat arthritis and joint pain. Pineapple juice reduces pain to old age people who are initially suffering from arthritis. Nutritional value. Pineapple juice is packed with vitamins and minerals. Pineapple contains vitamin C, B complex, etc. Reduce the risk of hypertension. Reduce hypertension due to adequate presence of potassium and lesser amount of sodium. Keeps teeth and gum healthy. Pineapple strengthens gums, thus keep our teeth healthy and strong. Good for heart health. Improves blood circulation. Ensures smooth blood flow. Benefits of pineapples. Drinking pineapple juice in the morning prevents sugar and fat cravings. Health benefits of bananas. Energy. Bananas supply proper carbohydrate necessary to replace the muscle glycogen muscle sugar used. Potassium. High in potassium, bananas help the body's circulatory system, PMS. Bananas contain vitamin B6. This vitamin regulates blood glucose levels and helps us in times of stress. Bowel health. Bananas are high in soluble fiber, which helps stop constipation and helps to restore and maintain regular bowel function. Increase happiness. Bananas release a mood regulating substance called tryptophan, which is converted to serotonin in the brain and thus elevates mood and makes us happier. Helps smokers quit. Bananas contain B vitamins and other minerals that lessen the effects of nicotine withdrawal, both physically and psychologically. Iron. Bananas are rich in iron and can help individuals with anemia. Iron-rich foods, such as bananas, help stimulate production of hemoglobin in the blood. Health benefits of orange juice. Heart health. Piperidins in orange help lower blood pressure, and folate protects against cardiovascular disease. Digestive health. Vitamin C helps prevent ulcers, and fiber ensures a healthy colon. Cholesterol lowering. Contains limonene, which helps reduce LDL or bad cholesterol. Kidney support. Help prevent kidney stones and efficient filtering of toxins. Anti-cancer. Studies have shown cancer risk reduction in over 40 to 50% of individuals who consume citrus fruits. Contain potent anti-carcinogens to prevent proliferation of cancerous cells. Immune support. High vitamin C content. Helps to stir away nasty bugs, bacteria, and viruses. Prevents colds, flus, and ear infections. Alkalizing. Rich in alkaline minerals to help balance body pH. Healthy skin. Contains essential vitamins and minerals for beautiful problem-free skin. Thank you for watching.